Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Kanhucharan Patro, neuroradiation oncologist. Today, I am going to tell about the normal and abnormal meningeal anatomy related to the oncology. So, if you see from the skin to brain, you will first find out the skin, then periosteum, then cranium, then dura mater, then arachnoid mater, then pia mater. So, these three called meninges. You can see here these three called meninges. So again, if you see the meninges, this is the skin, skull, dura, pia, subarachnoid space containing vessels, lymphatics, and pia mater. The pia mater is attached to the adherent to the brain. So meninges together, dura mater is known as pachymeninges, leptomeninges is called arachnoid and pia meninges. And you can see in the rough tube, the you can see the vessels. This is called subarachnoid space, and this is the perivascular space, and this is the dura mater. Pia mater is attached to the brain. This is the subarachnoid space containing vessels. So if you see, this is the skull bone, dura mater, pia, arachnoid mater, pia mater, and the below this pia arachnoid mater is called subarachnoid space. Pia is attached to the brain, dura is attached to the skull. Same thing here, you can see here dura mater, pia mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater, subarachnoid space. This is the spinal cord. This is the pattern in the spinal meninges. So again, you can see this is the subarachnoid space. This is the subdural space. This is the arachnoid granulations, dural sinuses in the subdural space. So again, you can see the meninges goes to the nerve roots also here in spinal cord, and you can see the pattern here. This is the spinal nerve, this is anterior posterior root, this is the anterior root, this is the spinal cord here. Pia mater attached to the spine, attached to the pia mater attached to the black one. The pia mater is attached to the spinal nerves and spinal cord. Arachnoid mater is the between the dura and the pia, during the pia, you can see here. And this is the subdural cavity. So if you see the gross anatomy, it is the cerebrum here. The outermost layer is the periosteum and meningeal dura. This is the yellow one. Middle component is the arachnoid space and subarachnoid mater and subarachnoid space here. Innermost is the pia mater, which attached to the brain. So these are the superficial cerebral veins, superior sagittal sinus in the subdural space, then flux and inferior sagittal sinus here. And same thing, outermost is dura, inner is the meningeal dura, periosteal dura, dural border cell layers, subarachnoid space, inner pia layer, outer pial space. So meningeal enhancement term related to the enhancement of membranes that envelop the brain and spinal cord. Due to anatomical features, this enhancement can be divided into two subtypes: leptomeningeal enhancement, dural enhancement. Leptomeningeal enhancement is known as pia arachnoid enhancement. Dural is known as pachymeningeal enhancement or dura arachnoid enhancement. Combined pachymeningeal leptomeningeal may occur usually focal associated vascularized extraaxial tumor, metastasis, lymphoma, or inflammatory processes. It is important to know that thin arachnoid membrane is attached to the inner surface of the dura mater, so the pachymeningeal pattern enhancement can also describe dura arachnoid enhancement. On other hand, the enhancement of the brain surface is also called pia or pia arachnoid enhancement, known as leptomeningeal enhancement. So if you see here, dura is the toughest layer, arachnoid is the thin, closely applied to the dura mater, subarachnoid space between the arachnoid and pial mater. Pia is the surface of the brain. So you can see here, this is the dura mater is the green, arachnoid is the brown, subarachnoid space is the structure you can find here, vessels, and this is the flux. This is the flux is the part of the dura, and this combines the sagittal sinus here. Okay, and the yellow structure is attached to the brain, that is pia mater. So this is the plaques. You can see the plaques suprasagittal sinus. These are the plaques. This is the plaques, and this is the tentorium cerebelli that covering the tent like to the cerebellum, separating from the cerebrum to the cerebellum. This is the plaques. This is the plaques. You can see the enhancement pattern here. This is the plaques. Again, you can see the plaques and tentorium enhancement. So tentorium cerebelli enhancement in the normal CT. So for MRI, you have to use spin echo sequences. Durameter may be recognized as short, intermittent, thin, hyperintense curvilinear structure on the contrast enhanced T1 MRI. Pyometer arachnoid matter may do not enhance in the normal subject. So this is very important. Durameter enhances, pyoarachnoid matter does not enhance. Durameter enhances is mostly intermittent, thin, hyperintense, curvilinear, and contrast. So let's see. So there you can see curvilinear, thin, intermittent. This is the dural sinus enhancement. You can see curvilinear, thin, intermittent, and in various sequences you can see this gradient echo sequence. T1 weighted, it is with contrast, without contrast. You can see various pattern of it. So remember, discontinuous, thin, curvilinear, discontinuous, thin, curvilinear, hyperintense, and intermittent continuous enhancement. Intermittent, these are the patterns of dural enhancement. So you can see here plaques. This is the sagittal sinus, dural sinuses here, tentomerium cerebelli, transverse sinuses. So enhancement pattern divided into four types. Either subarachnoid spill pet pattern, subarachnoid spill pill pattern. B is subarachnoid nodular pattern here. The vessel wall pattern like tramtraxine, and as a dural pattern nodular enhancement. These are the various types of enhancement you can see. So remember, in normal people, the pia arachnoid does not enhancement. This type of enhancement is definitely a carcinomatous meningitis and mostly seen in the breast and lung. This is not normal. This is abnormal. Normally pia arachnoid matter does not enhancement. Remember, dura only enhances intermittent, but pia arachnoid matter does not enhance. If there is enhancement like this, you think that there is a carcinomatous meningitis. So again, in a breast carcinoma, you can see here dural deposits, intracranial deposits, and some arachnoid deposits you can see here, pia arachnoid deposits. Another, you can see here some breast carcinoma, different pattern in the T2 images, player images, and enhancement. See, these are the not normal, and this pia-arachnoid enhancement is a subarachnoid space pattern usually seen in the carcinomatosis. Another, some dural enhancement, intermittent but continuous thick. This is a abnormal. This is normal. So this is a deposits, malignant deposits. Another thing you can see in the medulloblastomas, meningeal enhancements. You can see the nodular seeding, continuous enhancements in the meninges in the leptomeningeal spread. Thank you very much. This is all about understand the meninges, meningeal pattern of enhancement and normal. Thank you very much.